In this video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone not working on your Asus laptop. So in order to fix this, you first need to head over to the Start menu and search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, come down to Privacy and Security. Then once again, scroll down until you see Microphone and click on this. Now right at the top, make sure you have microphone access enabled and turned on. Make sure you have Let Apps Access Your Microphone also turned on. And then finally scroll down and also make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is turned on. Once you have these three options enabled, we can close out of the settings window. You can then come down to your taskbar in the bottom right-hand side, right-click on your volume icon and click on Open Volume Mixer. So right at the top you'll see Input Device. Make sure you have this selected as your default microphone. So if you've got an external microphone connected to your computer, you'll need to select that here. If it's just your default built-in microphone, then you can leave this as default. Then finally, we're going to head back over to the Start menu one more time, search for Control Panel and click on the Control Panel window. Make sure you have View by here set to large icons and then click on Sound. In the Sound window, we need to head over to the Recording tab, and here are all your microphone inputs for your computer. Now anything that you're not currently using, I'd recommend right-clicking on it and selecting Disable. The microphone that you do want to use, you need to right-click on this and make sure it's enabled, and you also need to set it as your default device. So this is my external microphone here. So as you can see, it's got this green tick next to it, and to set it as the default device, you just click on the Set Default button down here. You're then going to right click on your microphone and come into Properties. Click on the Levels tab and just ensure the microphone slider is turned up. We can then press Apply and OK to save these changes, and you can now try it testing to see if your microphone is working. If that still doesn't solve the issue, we can come back into Microphone, come back over to Properties, head over to the Advanced tab, and try disabling this exclusive mode over here. And then once again, pressing Apply and OK to save the changes, and you can once again check if that's now solved the issue. And that's it guys, hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any microphone issues you were getting on your Asus laptop. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.